What's up guys, Jacob here with Westcott Designs. Just wanted to go over a quick build that we did here at our shop, located in Phoenix, Arizona. This is a brand new 2026 Toyota 4Runner Trailhunter. So this is a very good platform that everyone's going for these days. Has the nice big OME 2.5 diameter shocks on it. And we just wanted to make this thing even better than what they came out with. So we came out with our 2.5-inch preload collar kit, 3/4-inch lift in the rear, and that's what gets this truck sitting nice and level front and rear. This truck specifically has the OEM wheels on it, and with those we're able to run a 35 by 11.5 Falken Wild Peak C load range tire. The load range on these trucks really does matter. It's gonna help determine the ride quality of this truck. Everything that you're riding on is gonna be cushioned by those tires themselves, not just the shocks, guys. So your load range in your tires makes a big difference on the overall drivability of the vehicle. Over here, you're gonna see the new Falken Wild Peaks. These are 35 by 11.5 inches wide, so we don't have to do as much clearancing for these guys as we would on a 12.5-inch wide tire. Since these are a plus 25 offset wheel, it does give it a little bit more of an aggressive stance. All we really have to do is remove the mud flap, the safety bracket right behind the tire over here, and then we push the liner forward just a little bit and make a little bit of additional clearance for it. Other than that, what you see on the truck is basically how it comes. These things are very formidable vehicles, and you're gonna see these things out on the trail everywhere. All right guys, so that finishes up our build here that we did on this Trailhunter 4Runner. Please give us a call at 480-750-8747 and let us show you what we can do with your rig.